Alright, today I'll be showing you guys how to apply Raptor truck bed liner. The tinable and the untinable is same way to apply, just the tinable is use your own color. So step one, all you want to do is sand down your car. You don't gotta sand it down to bare metal, just sand it to make it rough, and then use a wax grease remover on the whole vehicle. Then after you're done with that, you want to tape everything off. And the prep is key. Okay, if you don't do it right, you could end up with overspraying parts. It took me around 2 hours to tape off everything on the Jeep. Then after you're done with the tape off, you want to add your hardener into your the leader, a Raptor liner. Shake it up, or if you have color, you're going to add your color first, then shake it, then add your hardener, then shake it, then apply it to the vehicle by using the gun that they provide and an air compressor. And when you're spraying it, you gotta make sure you do it evenly. If you do it in straight lines too, don't do like whirls and stuff, because then end up you could see it later on when it dries. I bought the 6-quart kit, and that wasn't enough for me. I needed about like 1 or 2 more quarts. So if you're doing a vehicle close to my size, if I was you, get around the 8-quart ish, because I think that should be more than enough. Then after, you just let it dry. And people said you should peel off the tape before it's on when it's wet. To me, I don't think it matters. I pulled it off like 20 minutes after I got done spraying, but it came out pretty good for my first time doing anything like this. And it's like making this video so people can see, like, oh, you don't need professionals to help you or anything. I did it in my backyard with an air compressor, and basically that's it. Just sandpaper, sand it by hand. That's all. It wasn't really that hard. Now, if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna do more videos. I have a plan to do light bar. I could do the lift kit, but I already did half of it. That's why you see one of the pictures the tires off. I'm still working on the back, just the bolts are being a pain. I could make a video on that. I only did a 3-inch though. What else am I doing? I'm doing the front back bumper, doing a winch, a snorkel. So if you guys like this video, I'll keep on making more. I'm planning on doing a lot to this vehicle, and I'm thinking about doing some stuff inside. It don't have no I'm thinking about using truck bed liner the whole inside of the car too. Just tell me what you guys think in the comments or anything, because I don't really know. It's my first time doing anything like this to a Jeep. If you can see, tell my other video, I have the white Jeep. I still got it. I just use that as my daily. I just want to make this vehicle for fun and stuff like that. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.